Welcome to the Oh My Godet Dress sewing workshop. My name is Isabel and I am the founder and designer behind Izzie. Throughout my education and my time working in the fashion industry, I developed a very deep love of seam finishes and construction details, kind of everything that makes a garment really special and elevated, and also just makes a garment long-lasting. It shows how much you care about the garment that you're putting on your body. That is what I try and infuse into all of my sewing patterns. So in this workshop, I'm going to be focusing on the self-enclosed seam finishes. So that mostly includes French seams. These are just tiny little bits of hardware used to make adjustable straps. If you're keeping the pocket bags and the godet, then only shorten this upper line 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters maximum, and then stop at that top notch and make sure you do a nice back stitch. And we can press this finished French seam towards the side front. You can kind of see how this one that was ironed looks pressed open here. So just kind of giving it a nice press so it's really crisp and flat. And so you do want to sew this from the right side of your garment so you can make sure that you are making this invisible. So we're stitching in the ditch, which means we're stitching right in that groove of the side seam.